Well, we've had a wonderful week in KZN. We started on Monday with Erigwala district. We moved to Ugu and then to Ilembe. And we're rounding off today with Umgungundlovu. It's been a great experience. Districts are different, but what is humbling is that all of them are aiming for great results this year. The learners are upbeat. All of them are talking 100% pass rate and 100% bachelors. The teachers are working extremely hard, even during school holidays. They are still soldiering on, supporting learners to achieve what they've committed to do. The school principals are there supporting teachers. Officials of the department from the district and the province are also out to support schools. So it's been an exciting week. It's been humbling. It's been refreshing. It's been heartwarming. I'm going back home full of hope from KZN. And I want to say to everybody, watch out. If you think that you've seen the best from KZN, the best is yet to come.